I'm Las Vegas criminal defense attorney Michael Becker. Even the most minor Nevada misdemeanors carry potential jail time. But here are 3 common crimes where defendants may avoid jail by doing community service. 1. Battery domestic violence. 48 to 120 hours of community service is a standard penalty for people who plead guilty to a first-time misdemeanor offense. As long as the defendant completes the community service and all of the other court orders, the defendant should be able to avoid jail. 2. DUI. 2 days in jail is a standard penalty for people who plead guilty to a first-time misdemeanor offense. But many judges allow defendants to serve 48 hours of community service in lieu of jail. And 3. Graffiti. Causing less than $250 worth of damage by vandalism is a misdemeanor, carrying 100 hours of community service. As long as the defendant completes the requirement as well as any required fines and restitution, the judge will probably spare the defendant from serving jail time as well. In many cases, doing community service is also a way to get out of paying fines. 1 hour of community service equals $10 in fines. Therefore, a defendant sentenced to pay a $100 fine can usually do 10 hours of community service instead. If you or a loved one is facing criminal charges in Nevada, call my legal team at 702 Defense for a free consultation. The attorneys of the Las Vegas Defense Group are here to fight for the best resolution possible in your case.